Okay players, I'm going to let you in on a little bit of my practice. Today I'm working on bringing the cue back more slowly. If I bring it back too quick, I've noticed this in my videos that I edit. If I come back too slowly, I kind of jab at the cue ball. I still might make the shot, but I don't like the look of that. I want to be more controlled. So that's what this is going to be all about. Even with the break shot here, I'll come back more slowly. The draw cut break. See how it hit that 9? That's the idea of a draw cut break. You want to try to come back and hit the 9 and maybe knock it in a corner. For those of you who want to know 9-ball breaks, it's a great break to have in your arsenal. Okay, dead straight, so I'm going to have to draw it back. The 2 being right there, 3 being right here. I think I can get on the 2, the 3 will come in here, it'll go in there. Lots of possibilities here. The main thing is to draw it back to about center table would be good. Come back slowly. Not bad, not bad. Got the little angle on it. Looks like it's natural to come right into there. Get the right angle. Yeah, pretty good. I needed to be on this side of it. A little bit short of what I wanted to be. Gonna have to run into that 5-ball. So I've got to hit a little bit of low with a little bit of inside. Pretty good, yeah. Kind of nudged it too much. Hope to keep it in front of the side. I'm gonna have to bank it now. Will it even go past the 9? It should. Yeah, I could have hit it harder. I just wanted to make sure I cinched it though. That was the main thing. I got a good angle here. This is a shot I was showing in one of my recent videos where I have the low outside draw shot. I like this shot. It's a little bit straighter. I like the little more cut, but it'll be okay. Naturally get me over to the 8. Pretty good. I can draw it straight back. A little bit too much. Not bad. Pretty good. Notice how I'm staying disciplined and how I come back nice and slow. If you guys are struggling with your timing, make sure you work on your backstroke. Bring it back more slowly, and it's going to take you some time if you're used to coming back too quick. And a lot of players shoot that way. And if you're shooting well that way, stay with it. But if you're having trouble with your timing, I think the slow backstroke is going to help you a lot. If you found this video to be helpful, please share this video. It helps my channel, and I need your help. Also hit the thumbs up because that's going to help drive the algorithm. And don't forget to check out ronthepoolstudent.com. And please order some merch if you would. It will help our channel immensely, and I would greatly appreciate that. And if you want to watch another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.